Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tana, and welcome to Crypto Bible. I hope you're all doing very well. Again, I apologize for the lack of updates yesterday. I'm just going through some kind of pain in my hip, which I'm having to go to London to get checked out and everything else. But look, it's all good. Hopefully, I'll be all right. But enough of that. We have got some big news today, and again, it's actually regarding Binance, but in a different circumstance right now. Obviously, it's no secret that there's currently a case going on between XRP, Ripple, and the SEC. And it is developing to a point where, we are kind of coming towards the end of the whole case. But there's still a little bit more that we need to do, a little bit more that, needs to happen in order for this case to actually settle. And, one thing that is happening right now is that Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, is actually requesting for Binance documents in an international challenge to the SEC lawsuit. So, it's quite a big story only because obviously everyone knows that, not only is the SEC and Ripple case going on, but Binance has been under a lot lately, a lot of regulatory uncertainty, a lot of scrutiny. The whole shebang is going on with Binance right now. And left, right, and center, we keep getting news coming out about Binance, and it's never really good news, right? We know they put certain things in place to try and comply with the regulations. But why do I see this as big news? Because Binance is going to have to deliver right here. I'm not saying they can't, I'm not saying they won't, but I'm just saying they need to. Because if they don't, then yeah, there's going to be huge news going on regarding Binance, on top of that, because right now, Ripple, XRP, Brad Garlinghouse, yeah, they need Binance documents in an international challenge to the lawsuit. So we're going to read this article and let me know what your guys' thoughts are on it, because I think it's pretty big news. So I've seen here, Brad Garlinghouse lawyers file a request for Binance documents in international challenge to lawsuit. The offers and sales at the SEC challenges did not occur in this country and are not subject to the law that the SEC has invoked in this case, said the legal team. The lawsuit between Ripple Labs and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, now involves major crypto exchange Binance after a recent filing on behalf of Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Why do I find this funny, man? It's just like Binance is just getting it from everywhere, literally everywhere. Like, whether it's to do with regulatory uncertainty, things that they need to do, now they're just being thrown into this. They're just being thrown into left, right, and center. You're just seeing them everywhere. Jeez, man, poor CZ, poor CZ. What are you gonna do, man? Honestly, according to court documents filed in the Southern District of New York on Monday, Garlinghouse's legal team has requested documents relevant to the case and unobtainable through their means from Binance Holdings Limited, the Cayman Islands-based subsidiary of the major cryptocurrency exchange. The filing cited U.S. laws concerning the Department of State and the Hague Convention and asked the court to issue a letter of request for the Central Authority of the Cayman Islands to compel evidence from Binance. Mr. Garlinghouse seeks foreign discovery on the basis of his good faith belief that Binance Holdings Limited processes unique documents and information concerning the case, and specifically concerning the process by which transactions in XRP allegedly conducted by Mr. Garlinghouse on foreign digital asset trading platforms were conducted, said the filing. Specifically, the lawyers seem to be challenging claims from the SEC that the Ripple CEO sold more than 357 million XRP tokens on worldwide crypto trading platforms to investors all over the world. The team cited Section 5 of the Securities Act of 1933, stating that the alleged illegal XRP sales applied only to domestic sales and offers of securities. The documents requested of Binance may contain evidence in support of that claim. As the SEC knows, Mr. Garlinghouse sales of XRP were overwhelmingly made on digital asset trading platforms outside of the United States. The discovery that Mr. Garlinghouse seeks will be relevant to the demonstrating that the offers and sales that the SEC challenges did not occur in this country and are not subject to the law that the SEC has invoked in this case. Okay, so that's pretty interesting, man. God, I hope everything kind of just goes well, man, with that, because like I said, it's a big case for both of them because it seems like Brad Garlinghouse really needs these documents. And with everything going on with Binance right now, I hope there's no problems. And I can't see any problems coming from that. It's just one of those things that make you think, only because of the problems that Binance has been going through right now. Of course they shouldn't have any problems doing that, but it's just the fact again that Binance are yet again in the news. Um, for whatever it may be, because they just seem to be in the news about absolutely everything right now. And a lot of people just want this SEC Ripple case to just be done with, because as we all know, it won't only be good for XRP and Ripple, it'll be good for the entire crypto space as we know it. Okay, so it is pretty big stuff right there, and hopefully it can just all get sorted out. But once again, that shouldn't really take too long. He's filed the case. He's filed for the documents from Binance, and that shouldn't be something that takes too long, should it? So let's wait and see how that develops. The request is part of the lawsuit the SEC filed against Ripple in December, alleging the firm Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen had been conducting an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering with their XRP token sales. Ripple's legal team had previously claimed that XRP is more like Bitcoin, or BTC, or Ethereum, which the regulatory body has classified as commodities rather than securities. However, the firm seems to be switching gears or trying to augment its case by challenging allegations of domestic versus international token sales. Garlinghouse and Larsen filed a motion in June petitioning international authorities to request documents from several non-US based crypto exchanges, including Bitstamp, Huobi, and Upbit. The case will reportedly end the pre-trial discovery process on October 15th. So there you go, guys. Another Binance story for you guys. We love a Binance story, obviously for different reasons this time. This isn't bad news for Binance, but they are involved in yet again something else. And, hopefully they could just deliver and get all of that stuff over and done with completely without causing too much of an issue, without causing too much of a fuss. And hopefully that can just move things forward, because ultimately those documents can provide evidence to Ripple to show that they are not guilty. So we'll have to wait and see how all of that develops. But again, any developments on that, I will be sure to let you guys know. But yeah, that is going to cover it for today's video, guys. Again, sorry for the lack of videos over the past few days. Been going through a few things on my own, but hopefully by the end of today, everything should be sorted, or I'll have some kind of update for you guys. But I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please be sure to leave a like button down below. Make sure you have subscribed if you haven't already, and your bell icon is turned on so you're not missing any updates. And I will be back with some more videos for you guys today. Hopefully I'll get about 3 or 4 out to you guys today. So catch them as well, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Take it.